Sa naging latest post ni Kitty Duterte o Veronica Duterte sa kanyang Instagram, inihayag niya na they are denying my dad the proper health care he needs. They are keeping him confined here and not allowing us to bring him to the hospital. He is getting weaker by the minute. At mula nga sa anak niyang si Vice President Sara Duterte, narito na nga po ang saloobin na ibinahagi ng nasabing pangalawang Pangulo ng Bansa. As of March 11, 2025, pahayag mga kababayan, today our own government has surrendered a Filipino citizen, even a former president, at that to foreign powers. This is a blatant affront to our sovereignty and an insult to every Filipino who believes in our nation's independence. Worse, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte is being denied his fundamental rights. Since he was taken this morning, he has not been brought before any competent judicial authority to assert his rights and to allow him to avail of reliefs provided by the law. As I write this, he is being forcibly taken to the Hague tonight. This is not justice, this is oppression and persecution. This act shows the world that this government is willing to abandon its own citizen and betray the very essence of our sovereignty and national dignity. God save the Philippines. Sara C. Duterte, Vice President of the Philippines. Ayon kay Vice President Sara Duterte, force. Yes, inilipad na nga papuntang Netherlands si Pangulong Duterte upang doon litisin ang nasabi nga pong warrant of arrest na kanina ay sinerve ng mga kapulisan sa pangunguna ni DILG General Torre, kung saan ay humingi pa ng motion ang mga abogado nito sa Supreme Court, pero mukhang talagang pinilit siyang isakay sa eroplano. Yan ay base na rin sa pahayag ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kanina ay nag-live pa ang anak na si Kitty at inaasahan ng mga netizen na hindi nga maidadala sa Netherlands itong si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, pero ayon nga dito kay Vice President Sara Duterte, inihayag niya na as of right this, he is being forcibly taken to the Hague tonight. This is not justice, this is oppression and persecution. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Showbiz Now.